Okay, I just got back from a hike and I'm going to cook this, guys. I'm going to let you know how it is. And Steve is home, so I may see if he tries a bite. But I'm going to saute this up and add a couple things to it. And I'll show you guys finished product and let you know. Remember, this is the regenerative grass-fed bison that has the liver and has some of the bison liver, the bison heart. So we will try it. Okay, I'm cooking up the bison. I added avocado oil, a tablespoon, a teaspoon of salt. I like to add that when I'm cooking down the meat, and some pepper. And this is what I love about the induction also. Look at, guys. See, my little things I'm going to be added can be on here. So that is another hack of induction. You have more counter space. So if you're not using the burners, that is. So I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic here in a little bit. And I'm going to add some lemon juice. And then I'm going to add in these green onions and some coconut aminos. So I will let you know how this is, and yeah. Okay, it's time for the grand reveal. Do I like this bison with the liver and heart? Let's see. It's good. I mean, it tastes just to me like ground beef. So I don't taste any livery. I don't taste liver. I don't taste like any of the other stuff. So again, I seasoned it. I mean, I threw some stuff in it. Yeah, it's good. It's another great way to get some extra protein in, and liver's good for us and all that stuff. So, okay guys, so this is my lunch. And if I don't finish it all, it goes into the fridge for tomorrow. But this is the Force of Nature bison with the heart and the liver, which I sauteed up. And I have some broccolini that I had in the fridge. I bought a bunch today when I went to the store, and I just sauteed that up in 5 minutes. I like it al dente. Super easy to do. And then I had some leftover quinoa and black beans. Remember the other day when I did the quinoa wraps? Well, I took the avocado tahini and then I paired it with the quinoa and black beans to heat it up. So I've basically got really a high protein lunch. This is 4 ounces of meat, so I weighed it. It's 22 grams of protein plus, I don't even know how much protein is in the quinoa and black beans together, but they got protein. I don't count. And then I've got the veggies for the fiber, and even the avocado that's in the tahini. So it's just a well-balanced lunch, and it's yummy, and I'm excited to eat it. It may not be the best combination, but you work with what you have, and that's what I mean. Lunch doesn't have to be a recipe. Experiment. I experimented with this meat, and this combination may not be a combination that you would think you would put together, but that's what's like. Everything doesn't have to be a recipe. You know, it's playing in the kitchen. I played with this meat. I added some things. I'm going to try it with this, but I know that the flavors are they're going to be good. Like, you know, and it's just about the more you forage and the more you just kind of throw things together, you create your own little meals, and it doesn't matter if no one else wants it. If it looks good to you and you're craving it, eat it. I'm part of the Clean Bowl Club. I ate it all. It was so good. Now I've got some energy.